Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am headed into Ross and I'm inviting you to come with me. Let's go shopping.
Ross has out some really adorable items for Easter, starting right here with all these little tabletop signs that are all going to be $4.99. They do have some larger signs like this one, Easter Blessings, but they're really reasonable. All of them seem to be right around $8.99. Now this one lights up for $11.99. They have this large gold egg for $11.99. And lots of wreaths. So they do have a few different shapes, sizes. The small one on the right was $17.99, and then it went up to $19.99, and then the floral over here was $22.99. Lots of different little floral accents, different little pots, including this little pot in gold for $13.99. And these tulips definitely caught my eye. They look very realistic, and they are $15.99 in a galvanized bucket. They have them in the white and also in the pink. This is a really great find at $18.99. They do have a Boxwood wreath bunny. They actually have a lot of really pretty pillows out for Easter as well, including this one. Most of the pillows that I found today were $9.99, and most of them seem to be around an 18-inch square. Love this little bunny with the crown. They also have a lot of throws. Now I remember seeing this maybe last year or the year before and thinking, when did they start putting out throws for Easter? But if you're looking for one, they do have quite a few different patterns to choose from. This one with the silver eggs on purple. They also have it in the silver bunnies on teal, and lots of beautiful table runners. Most of these were right around $8.99 all the way up to $11.99. This one definitely coordinates with that pillow. They even have a little kitty in glasses. They also have quite a few really cute banners. I picked one up last year. This one is $8.99 with the denim and carrots. They also have some cute baskets to choose from if you need one. This little boy and girl set was super cute for $12.99 a piece. They also have this little lamb that I just had to show you guys. She's adorable for $8.99 with a little Easter banner. This year they seem to have a lot of gold and quite a few centerpieces. Everything was right around $15 or less, like this basket for $11.99. Now you guys will notice that I'm going to voice over the first part of this video. A little one was having a bit of a tough time. So let me know down in the comments, which version do you prefer? Do you like live narration or voiceover? A few fun dish towels to choose from. Most sets being right around $3.99 with just a few for $4.99. And you guys, this is a Pottery Barn dupe. I have seen these in Pottery Barn catalogs and they're nowhere near $8.99. This year they have a lot of ceramic collectibles by Blue Sky, starting with this little egg for $12.99. They also have a cross for $12.99. This one does have a place to put a votive in. Also have some bunnies by Blue Sky, and this one is $15.99. Here's another one from Blue Sky, and it is $12.99. And this large ceramic bunny, all kinds of flowers around her neck for $16.99. They do have a few silver that I thought were really pretty. This one with the ridges for $6.99. And then they've got this one. It's a little more plain, $5.99. They have this little guy, and I'm pretty sure he's plaster, but he definitely looks like wood. Some brushed silver. This one is $15.99. This one is only $7.99, and I think it's so pretty. The body looks like it was carved out of wood. We got these. They're super heavy stone. They're only $5.99, but boy, are they heavy. Here's another one for $5.99, a little stone bunny. Just feel like his head might be a little too big for his body. These are actually $4.99 with the little chicks, but you get two of the identical tea towel or dishcloth. This one with the little hobby Easter bunnies, and that's what's on the back. And for $3.99 they have a few prints that are really pretty. This one with the roses, and this one with Somebody Loves You with the bunnies on the back. These are actually little hand towels for like a guest bath or powder room. $8.99 and you get two. This one is so pretty with a little bunny, and look at the floral they put it with. This one is so pretty for $4.99. Got the little flower crown on. Some really pretty bunny dishes. This one is $3.99. It's the smaller square. And then they have the larger one for $4.99. And for $4.99 they have this little guy. No pink around the edge on this one. For $3.99 they have this little bunny plate. He's riding a little bicycle. That one's got the green edge. This one's got the purple. These are a really good deal. They're a set of 4 chargers for $7.99. We've got the purple, the teal, and the pink. They have quite a few really cute table runners. This one is $8.99. It's a bunch of different printed bunnies all interconnected. And this one is really pretty. It's sort of a neutral background, and look at these bunnies are all lace, and it's $11.99. They have so many bunnies to choose from. These are mostly $8.99. This one's a little taller. She is $12.99. Both of the boys are $8.99. This is a really cute little trio. This one is $14.99. They're weighted at the bottom. Those are actually kind of heavy. This is another one of their little sets, and it is $14.99, just like the other one. These are so cute for $11.99. I love the khaki and cream check on these. This guy's really cool, almost like burlap, but like a thick woven for $7.99. For $4.99 each, they have 2 little bunnies with the little check outfits, a boy and a girl. They do have a marble and wood Easter sign. It is $15.99. I've never really seen anything like this one before. For $8.99, they have this really cute little ceramic bunny, the little carrot as the vase. And for $2.99, they have the ceramic egg cartons. I remember seeing these at places like Hobby Lobby and Michael's for a lot more. Here's another cute little sign, a little standing one. Hello Spring for $6.99. The back of that one has the bunny on it. For $6.99, they have this little wooden standing bunny. And I really like this one. Rejoice, he is risen. Little tabletop sign for $4.99. Here's a really cute sign. This one is $8.99. Have a very happy Easter. Lots of gray, but they still have that touch of pastels. The wooden trim too. They also have this little sign for $8.99. Bless this food before us and the family beside us. Little wooden trim there. Lots of gray. Here's another sign, a little Easter egg with the bunny. Happy Easter, and that one's just $9.99. It's a pretty good size. Another sign, he has risen. This one is just $6.99. Also for $6.99, they have this really pretty sign in Happy Easter. I really like the edge on this one. For $12.99, they have the little sisal style lambs with their little wreaths around their necks. For $13.99, they have this little pair of bunnies. The carrot's a little slide. couple of little orange carrot garlands. This one is $8.99. It's 6 foot long. And they have this little one for $5.99 on the burlap background, and it's alternating with bunnies. I hope you enjoyed seeing what Ross is putting out for Easter. Don't forget to vote down below. Live narration or voiceover. Thank you so much for watching.